Hi, I'm Jaden from Scout TV, and today I'm going to teach you how to play helicopter. First, get a rope with something stuck on one end, and then one person has to stand in the middle and start spinning the rope. As the rope speeds up, the players get into a circle and start jumping. If the rope hits someone, they're out. Then the game stops and restarts. This goes on until there's only one person left. They are the winner. I hope you enjoyed learning a new game that you can play at your next Scout meeting.